My name is Krutajbir here, and today I'll be presenting our work Cartographer Glass 2D Graph SLAM framework using LiDAR for glass environments. The development of SLAM algorithms has enabled accurate mapping of indoor environments, but as more and more glass-based surfaces are used, current SLAM solutions fall short of being able to detect and register them reliably. In order to handle transparent objects, we need to be able to detect, register, and retain them on the map. The difficulty in LiDAR-based registration of transparent and reflective surfaces has been explained by Wang and Wang in their paper. Most objects have imperfect surfaces resulting in diffused reflection of incident light. This makes them detectable from all angles. On the other hand, most of incident light on a polished surface is reflected away from the source. These objects are detectable in a very narrow range of angles where the incidence is near normal and a sharp spike in intensity is observed. We utilize this simple detection scheme proposed by Wang and Wang, where an intensity threshold, the gradient, and profile width are used for transparent object detection. We incorporate this detection scheme into a SLAM solution that achieves real-time mapping and loop closure using LiDAR data called Google Cartographer. The Google Cartographer has two subsystems, a front end that generates good local representations of the environment called submaps, and an optimization-based backend that ties these submaps consistently together. In the proposed solution, we utilize a local glass mapping scheme that maps the detected glass points into the current submaps by increasing the occupancy probabilities to the maximum values and thus encoding and identification. As these grid probabilities are started afresh in each submap, the role of the global mapping scheme is to maintain these points across all the submaps. The efficacy of the proposed cartographer glass scheme is compared to uh, the default Google cartographer and is showcased in this experiment, where transparent sheets of three different materials are placed in the environment. It can be seen that the default cartographer is not able to detect the transparent sheets, whereas the proposed scheme is successfully able to do so. Wang and Wang released an open source particle filter based implementation of the detection scheme in the form of a ROS package. This slide shows the clear superiority of the proposed method over their method in a dataset released by the authors. There are, however, some challenges that need to be addressed. Due to drift accumulation, especially in large environments, there is a difficulty in estimating the accurate homogeneous transformation of the glass points, as well as while moving on uneven terrain and mapping inclined glass surfaces that can prove challenging as well. This concludes my presentation, and I will be happy to take any questions if the audience has them.